This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the source HDRI into your project and confirming render pipeline compatibility. Import the HDRI file as a texture, set sRGB and clamp settings appropriately, and place it in a Resources or Streaming Assets folder for quick access. Once done, switch your project to the appropriate pipeline, built-in, ERP, or HDRP, because sky and exposure controls differ. Make sure you have a volume or lighting settings window open so you can immediately preview environment changes as you continue. Now you place the HDRI into the scene sky. For built-in, create or edit a skybox material and assign the HDRI cubemap, then set that skybox in lighting. For ERP/HDRP, add an HDRI sky override inside a global volume and slot the texture into the source field. You can rotate the HDRI to change sun direction, tweak intensity and exposure to balance brightness, and use tint or color adjustments to match your scene lighting intent before finalizing. Finish by refreshing reflections and validating camera exposure. Update or bake reflection probes so specular highlights match the new sky, and confirm your camera and post-processing stack react to the HDRI, tweak auto exposure, or disable it for consistent previews. If things look off, inspect the HDRI import compression, sRGB wrap mode, ensure project uses linear color space, and reassign the skybox override. A quick rebuild or reimport often fixes mismatched brightness or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.